I recently posted a tutorial for Davinci Resolve on how to convert your footage from log to REC.709, and someone asked if it's possible to do this to all the clips in your timeline at once. And it is, and I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can do it. So I have 4 clips here that are from the same camera. They're all from a drone, and we're going to go ahead and bring in the color space transform tool. We're going to input our color space settings from our camera and then output them to REC.709. And then I'm going to show you how to apply it to the rest of the clips. So for my input color space, I'm going to choose REC.709, and then this is from a DJI drone using D-Log. So I'm going to go to input gamma and select DJI D-Log. And then for output color space, same thing, REC.709 and gamma 2.4. And that's going to give me a good, decent image. After that, we're going to right click here and then save as shared node. Now you want to select all the clips that are using the same input color space and same input gamma. So if your entire timeline is from the same camera using the same settings, you want to hit Command A to select all the clips, and then you can middle click or you can right click and hit Apply Grade. And now you see that the rest of the clips will have this same CST node. And because it's a shared node, if you deactivate it here, it'll be deactivated in the other clips as well. By default, Davinci Resolve locks these shared nodes. So if you ever want to make a change, you right click on the node and disable lock node. And then now if you make a change here, I'll just choose some random setting. You'll see that if you go to the other clips, the same setting has been changed in those clips. So that's one way to convert multiple or all clips in your timeline from log to REC.709.